Goober and his family are flying through outer space, and they're coming to our planet, hey, to have fun and learn more about this great place.
Oh, hi Earth friends. Sorry, I didn't hear you come in. Well, I found out your planet has a lot to learn about. So I'm working on building a whole new addition to my spaceship. It's called the Learning Lab. We're going to have so much fun when it's done, I can hardly wait. I have all kinds of fun surprises for you. Oh, hey, do you want to see the blueprint? Yeah, great. Check this out. Okay, this one is the number tube. It'll tell us all about the numbers and how to count. And this one is the alphabet tube. It'll tell us all about the letters and about spelling. And this one is the colors tube. It'll tell us all about the colors and how to mix them and make new colors. And this one is the shapes tube. It'll teach us all about shapes. And this one is the seasons tube. It'll tell us all about the seasons of the year. And finally, this one is the mystery tube. It'll give us a fun, random, exciting adventure. And there's still more things here, but that's a surprise, and you'll have to wait until I'm done to find out what the rest can do. So, I will keep working on this, and when it's finally done, I'll be back with a new video. I'm so excited, and I hope you are too. Well, I better get back to work now. I'll see you real soon, Earth friends. Goober signing out. Now, where did I put that hammer at?